Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Cat6 tester is probably one of the most essential tools for any network professional or DIY enthusiast looking to ensure the integrity and performance of their Ethernet cabling infrastructure, allowing for quick and accurate identification of faults, continuity issues, and wiring errors that can plague even the most carefully planned networks, ultimately saving you time, frustration, and costly troubleshooting down the line by providing definitive answers about your cable's health. Number 5. Klein Tools VDV526-100 LAN Cable Tester. Test your voice and data cables with ease. This device features single-button testing for RJ11, RJ12, and RJ45 connectors, making your work efficient. It supports a wide range of cable types, including Cat3, Cat5e, and Cat6/6a. You can rely on its compatibility for various networking needs. Get instant and clear cable status with its LED indicators. It quickly shows pass, miswire, open fault, short fault, and shield status. Never lose your test remote again. It conveniently stores right in the tester's body, keeping it safe and secure. This tester is designed to be compact and portable. It easily fits in your pocket for convenient testing wherever you go. Conserve battery life with the auto power-off feature. A 9V battery is included, so you can start testing right away. Stay informed about your battery level with the low battery indicator. This ensures your testing remains uninterrupted. What we like. This tester offers incredibly simple, single-button operation for your voice and data cables. Its fast LED indicators give you clear results instantly. If you're looking for a no-fuss, highly portable solution for basic cable testing, this is a great choice for quick checks on the go. What people say. It quickly identifies open circuits, miswires, and short circuits, saving me tons of time diagnosing issues with my Ethernet cables. The results are clear and easy to read on the LED indicators, and the auto power-off feature is a nice touch for saving battery life. I was able to test multiple Cat5e and Cat6 cables without any trouble, and it accurately verified the connections each time. This tester is a great option for checking network and LAN cables. It's simple to operate but still powerful enough to catch shorts, miswires, splits, and continuity issues that cheaper testers often miss. One of the biggest advantages is that it comes with a remote unit, so you can test cables over long distances, even when the ends are in different rooms or buildings, without guessing or running extra trips. It is comprehensive, allowing users to test up to 10 different types of cables, including telephone and coaxial cables. It is also durable, featuring a rubber overmold that provides extra protection for it during hard use. In addition, the VDV tester is very easy to use. It has an intuitive interface that allows users to quickly identify and troubleshoot faulty cables. The included LAN Explorer with remote feature also makes it easy to test and diagnose network problems. Number 4. NF8209 Network Cable Tester. Introducing the NF8209, your all-in-one solution for network cable testing. It's designed to handle a variety of cable types and testing needs with advanced features. This device offers 3 distinct scanning modes to suit your specific requirements: AC filter mode for noise reduction, analog mode for traditional tracing, and PO mode for power over Ethernet testing. Easily test standard PO devices. It provides crucial information like voltage, power supply polarity, and power supply mode, even identifying the PSE standard, AF or AT. Quickly find the right network port on your hub or switch with the Hub Blink feature. It's compatible with 10M, 100M, 1000M hubs and switches, making port identification a breeze. Measure cable lengths with impressive accuracy, up to 98% precise for cables up to 200 meters. This feature helps you manage your cabling efficiently. Verify the physical status of your STP and UTP LAN cables with continuity testing. It also includes a non-contact voltage, NCV, detector to safely identify AC voltage presence from 50V to 1000V. What we like. With its 3 distinct scan modes, including PO testing and accurate length measurement, this device is a powerhouse for network diagnostics. If you need to test PO devices, locate ports on switches, or measure cable lengths with high accuracy, this is the tool for you. What people say. The toner is strong even over 250 foot and easily identifies the cable. The continuity check is spot on. This multifunction tester is value-changing over 2 client CCTV systems to CAT6 PoE, and this thing just shines. Wire finder function is excellent. Cable test function works well. It quickly identifies open circuits, mismatched ones, etc. It will tell you the distance of a particular run or cable. It will also tell you what individual wires are crossed, disconnected, etc. Number 3. Fluke Network CIQ-100 Copper Qualification Tester. Meet the Fluke Network CIQ-100, your essential tool for network cable qualification. It's designed to ensure your network infrastructure is up to standard. This powerful tester qualifies and troubleshoots copper cabling, supporting everything from Category 5 to 6A. It ensures seamless connectivity for your network needs. It handles a wide range of network types, including 10-100 gig Ethernet, coax, and VoIP. You can rely on it for comprehensive testing across different applications. Beyond basic qualification, it offers advanced features like speed testing, cable length measurement, and fault detection. It provides in-depth analysis for twisted pair and fiber optic cables. Powered by AA alkaline batteries, this tester is built for efficiency and reliability in the field. It's the dependable solution for all your cable testing requirements. Choose Fluke Networks for trusted and innovative solutions in network testing. The CIQ-100 is a testament to our commitment to quality and performance. What we like. This tester goes beyond basic continuity, qualifying your cabling performance for high-speed Ethernet up to gig. It's perfect if you're installing or troubleshooting networks that demand top performance and need to ensure your cables meet the required standards. What people say. This unit identifies a break on each pair and how many feet away it is. It measures network capacity, 10.100, 1000, for VoIP, data, and video. The device can troubleshoot length, distance to fault, wire map, opens, shorts, PO, insertion loss, crosstalk, and noise issues. The device is capable of advanced diagnostics and can detect single-wire faults and supports multi-map mode with up to 7 remote office identifiers. It can also locate and trace cables with digital toning technology. Number 2. Fluke Network CIQ-KIT Copper Qualification Tester Kit. This kit qualifies and troubleshoots Category 5-6A cabling. It's designed for 10-100 gig Ethernet, coax, and VoIP applications. It tests all copper media cabling, including twisted pair, coax, and audio. You can rely on it for accurate results. This device offers advanced troubleshooting capabilities. These include length measurement, distance to fault, and graphical wire mapping. It can work on live networks to detect Ethernet switches and device configurations. This helps isolate network issues effectively. Locate and trace cables with its digital toning technology. It helps you discover what's at the end of any cable. This kit comes with everything you need, including the tester, digital probe, and various accessories. It even includes a handy carrying bag. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers advanced troubleshooting features, including distance to fault and PoE detection, and even works on live networks. If you're a professional who needs to isolate complex network issues, trace cables with precision using digital toning, and get detailed device configurations, this is your go-to solution. What people say. The tester is easy to use and provides accurate results for network cable testing. It has a clear display that shows the status of each wire, making troubleshooting simple. The compact design makes it portable and convenient for on-the-go network checks. Number 1. Klein Tools VDV 501-851 Scout Pro 3 Cable Tester Kit. This device offers comprehensive testing for voice, data, and video cables. It provides clear and accurate results for all your connectivity needs. Precisely determine cable lengths up to 2,000 feet with this tool. It ensures you have accurate measurements for any installation. Easily identify issues like opens, shorts, miswires, or split pairs. It guarantees thorough fault detection and pinpointing. Read cable information clearly in any lighting condition. The backlit screen displays length, wire map, ID, and test results. Simplify cable tracing with the integrated tone generator. It helps you locate cables, pairs, and individual wires with ease. Quickly identify port locations on hubs or switches. This feature streamlines network management and setup. Map and ID multiple cable runs simultaneously with the included location remotes. It enhances organization and cable management. What we like. With its impressive cable length measurement up to 2,000 feet and a clear backlit LCD, this tester is ideal for longer installations. If you're managing multiple cable runs, need to map them efficiently with included remotes, and require precise length data, this kit will streamline your work. What people say. The tester is easy to use and has a clear display. It accurately identifies open, short, and crossed wires. The device comes with a handy carrying case. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.